What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I know you guys ain't heard from me for a while, but I'm gonna give you guys an update on my account, what I'm working on, my current strategies, and what I'm doing heading to Q4, which is actually the most exciting time of the year. I haven't been placing too much energy on my merch lately, and that needs to change. So, definitely gonna be making these videos again for you guys because I realize how much having this channel motivated me to just stay on my shit and just stay uploading and showing you guys our progress. And um, I didn't know how many people I was motivating, and how many just emails I've gotten, comments, just trying to get me back on the channel. I just appreciate you guys so much. So let's just dive into it. I'll let you guys see, my numbers for this week. My biggest thing that I'm working on right now is just having consistency in my numbers every month. So if you want consistency, real consistency in your numbers, is just creating evergreen designs. And evergreen designs is, stuff that sells all year round. So that's one thing I'm working on. Um, Last year around this time, I was already cranking out a bunch of just holiday designs, nothing but holiday designs. But then I realized, when January hit and December was over, I had the lowest dip ever. I one month I think I actually show you guys this. So last Christmas I sold 318 products and it went to 48 the next month. You know what I'm saying? And the year before that, I had 137 and then it went to 29. So I'm having so much inconsistency in my account because I do a lot of I was doing a lot of trends and a lot of holidays, and you only get those spikes when it's that time of year. So um, that's one of the big things that I want to start doing is just having some good base of evergreens, and then you can go into, the holidays and stuff. But I need consistency in my account, so I'm gonna keep doing evergreens. And so that's really the biggest thing that I'm working on right now is trying to find as many evergreen niches as I can to dip into and then get to this holiday stuff. And also, one thing I want to work on is just finding universal um, niches. Like, usually, a lot of the niches that I'm in aren't things that sell all over the world or things that, mean something in another country. So, um, I'm not trying to move that angle, but just the niches that I picked or the niches that I fell upon haven't been things that are selling in other countries. So that's one thing I want to work on right now is, that because a lot of people sell in other countries, and I think that is going to be the thing that really um, upgrades my account and really gets some consistency going. Because as you can see, like, if I click all this shit, like, okay, UK, I've only sold 17 things in the UK, right? Germany, I've only sold 5 things in Germany. 4, okay. What's this? What's this? Italy? Italy, 4. Spain, 6. Japan, 5, right? So I see a lot of these other YouTubers, and I see a lot of other people's accounts. Even my friends' accounts. They're getting a lot of sales internationally because they're doing universal ones, niches. So that's one thing I want to work on because I don't want to say I'm killing it in the U.S. market, but I'm doing good in the U.S. market, and if I can duplicate that, you know over the course of these other, 5 or 6 other marketplaces, then shit, I can double my royalties, right? So that's one thing I'm gonna really worried about, um, like going forward, and then just filling up these design slots. I sat down and I wrote down what niches I want and how many designs I want. Just mapping it out so I can actually have something to go back to. So I'm not, hey, what should I design today or what should I do today? I already have a script or what I need to do. I just need to do it. So, just letting you guys know, what's going on in my account and stuff, and show you guys the last, couple months that I had. June was really good. I sell really good in Christmas time, February, and like June months because I do a lot of designs that are catered to African American people. And Juneteenth is in June, and February is Black History Month. So I see spikes in those months, but I just, like I said, just trying to find some consistency so I can, keep pressing up what I know I'm gonna make every month. Like, so um, I will be running ads. I'm probably gonna start them next month. Um, Sometime next month. I really want to fill up my designs first, but I just know I'll make a lot of money if I start next month because you want to get everything raking when it comes to, right before Christmas time. So, yeah, that's what's going on in my account right now. I'm gonna be making some videos for you guys coming up next week. Man, just drop in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to do. I already making a video on advertisement because I had the most comments on that. So I'll show you guys how I set up that, how I set up a lottery campaign, how I do low bids, and how all that shit. So that's coming soon. So if you're new to the channel, man, just hit that motherfucking subscribe button, like button, kill the motherfucking comments. Show me love. I'ma show love back, and let me know what you guys want to see. Yeah, man. Until next time.